Hello and welcome to my channel. On this channel, you are going to find beginner friendly tutorials on how to make beaded bags and accessories. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make this simple round keychain. I'm going to use two colors. I'm going to use yellow and this glass white beads. Okay, these are 10 mm sugar beads or square beads. And I have my 8 mm fishing line with me. You can use a 7 mm if that's what you have, or even a 6, and it should work fine. It should be perfect. Okay, and I have a cutter with me to cut my fishing line. You can use a scissors or a razor blade, anything you have that can cut the fishing line, it's fine. Okay, and I have this crochet pin with me. It's optional. I use the crochet pin to pick the fishing line if they are stuck in between the beads. So that's what I use this for. It's optional. You don't need this to make a keychain. Okay, I have 30 of this 30 of the beads. This is 10 yellows, and then 20 of these white ones. So that's what I'm going to use to achieve this. Okay, so I'm using two colors. As you can see, I want the yellow on top and at the bottom, on the top and bottom, and then the other color in the middle. So I'll end up having something like this. So I made these ones to show you how it's gonna turn out. So see, and they're cute, they are beautiful. You can also do it. So let's get into the tutorial. Thank you. And if you come across this channel and you like what you see, please subscribe and share the link with your friends and family so they can also come and learn. We have the 8 mm fishing line. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to string 5 of the yellow beads on the fishing line. So let's go. This is one. Let me put this on the side. Okay. 2, 3. Sorry, one fell off. Okay, so we have this. So that's 5 in number. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I'm going to use the other side of the fishing line to enter the fifth bead. So we are going to have something like this. Okay, I promise this is going to be very short and very easy to make. So we have 5 of the yellow ones. The next one on the left hand side of the fishing line, on the left we are going to pick 1, 4 beads, 2, 3, and 4, and then we are crossing with a 1 on the right, like so. Okay, so we should have something looking like this, and we are going to enter the next bead with the right fishing line, and then we are going to pick 3. So we are making rings of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so on the right, on the left, which is on this fishing line, we are picking 3 of these white ones. Okay, and then we cross with a fishing line on the right. Please make sure you pick on one direction. Don't pick on any side. You pick on your left and then you cross with your right. Okay, so like so. So this is what we have, and then to progress we are going to enter the next bead on your right, like so, like this. Okay, and then we will pick 3 more on the left here. So this is what we have: 1, 2, and 3, and then we are going to cross with the right one. Okay, very simple. And then we are going to enter the next yellow bead Again, please make sure you pull your work to make it very tight and steady, you know, firm. Okay, keep pulling. Don't keep pulling your work, and please don't pull too hard. If you pull too hard, the fishing line can cut into your skin and it can break. Okay, so just be gentle but not too hard. All right. Okay. So we are going to pick three more on the left hand side to complete half of the circle. So one, two, sorry, and three. So I told you I want the white in the middle and then the yellow on top and at the bottom. So that's what we are doing and that's what we are going to achieve. Okay. So now, as you can see, the circle is already forming. It's already forming. Okay, it's already forming. So to close up the first part of the circle, we are with the left fishing line, we are going to enter these two beads, one and then two. Okay, let's do. We are going to enter one and then two. Okay, like so. So we are going to add two more. So on the left fishing line, we are going to add two beads to close the circle, to close the first half of the circle, sorry. So this is what we have. You only pick two after you've entered these two beads, one, two, okay? To make it the ring, to complete the ring of five. Okay, so this is what we have. So you should have something looking like this, okay? So, sorry, it looks like this, okay? So I'm going to enter the next bead on the right with my right fishing line, like so, like so, okay? And on the left, I'm going to pick, please watch carefully, I'm going to pick one white, one yellow, and then one white, okay? Like so. Please pardon me with the background noise. Sorry about that. So we have something looking like this. So to continue, we are going to enter these two beads, okay? One and two. We are going to enter the next bead and the next one on the side. And then all we need is just two beads. We are going to pick just two beads. So we are going to pick one yellow first, and then second we pick the white. We want the yellow to appear on top of the keychain. So let me cross and show you how it's going to look like. This is how it should look like, okay? We are going to enter the next one and then the next one. So we are going to enter this one, sorry, and enter the next one, enter the next two beads, and then with your left fishing line, we pick two more, the first yellow and then second glass white, okay? And then we cross with a fishing line on your right, like this. Okay, ooh, this is looking good. Okay, so we are going to enter the next two beads. This one, as you can see, and then this one. Let's go. We enter like this, and then you pull at your work. Please pull to make it strong or firm, okay? So I'm going to pick two more beads. I'm going to pick two more, yellow and then white. So the yellow comes first and then the white one, and then I'm going to cross like this. I'm going to cross. Please watch carefully. We've come to the end of the circle. Okay, let me bring this closer so you can see. We are going to enter these three beads. We are going to enter this bead. We are going to enter this bead, and we are going to enter this bead with the right fishing line. So let's go. I'm going to enter this one. I'm going to enter the next one, and then I'm going to enter the one on the side like so. I'm going to enter this one. Okay, so you should have, this is what you should have. Your fishing line should be coming out of these four beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so before I put the last bead, which is the yellow, as you can already imagine. So first of all, I'm going to put my keychain inside, on any side of the fishing line. You can put it on your left or right. Okay, and then you add your last bead, which is the yellow. Okay, so this is what you should have. See, ta-da! This is it. Okay, very easy, very easy. And then we are going to, I'm going to use I'm going to pass the remaining line through the beads. Okay, I'm just going to pass the remaining line through the beads to secure it. So like so, you go through this one, you pull. Okay, on any of the beads, you can go through any of the beads just to secure it. Some people prefer to tie when they get to the top, but this is how I prefer it. I prefer to go through the beads just to make it a bit more firmer and not loose. Okay, so let's keep going. We are going to be entering into all the beads just to secure it. Okay, so you can enter at any side of the ball just to secure it. So this is what you should have. All right, I'm going to enter the other side also, the other end. All right, so I've entered enough. I think I've secured my work enough. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut the excess fishing line off. I'm going to go ahead and cut it with my, you can use your scissors. I'm going to go ahead and cut it. Okay, so we've come to the end of the tutorial, and look, this is what we got. Isn't this pretty? Okay, so yes, this is how to make your round keychain. If you missed a step or you didn't understand something, you can leave a comment under the video, and I'll be more than glad to help you. Okay, so yes, we've come to the end of the tutorial, and this is what we achieved. You see, you can use any color of choice. The method still remains the same. So thanks for watching, and please, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and please share and also subscribe to my channel. I hope to come your way again with another simple and beautiful tutorial. Thank you.